And if I had to pick one person that I've met in my 32 years in public service in this city who epitomizes the standard of public service as an elected official, it would be Ed Semonian. Ed and I agree a lot on what's really important in politics as an elected official. Aside from the number of parades you get to ride in every year, it has to be the number of fascinating and productive meetings that you get to go to. And that's where I've really seen the measure of Ed Semonian. I will tell you that in a room, no matter how contentious or difficult the issues are, if Ed Semonian is in that room and at that table, he will somehow, day after day, summons the requisite amount of patience, grace, wisdom, and insight to solve the problem at hand, however contentious it is. And that is what makes him a real treasure to this community, Ed Semonian.
Thank you, sir. It's a pleasure to have someone of your experience, background, and knowledge of the community say the few things that you said. I should stop right now and give up the rest of my 5 minutes and I think go home. But I'm here this evening to announce my candidacy for re-election as clerk of the circuit court. I was first elected in 1979 and have been continuously in office since that time. It is truly an honor for me to serve as the clerk of the circuit court. I've been here all my life, went to primary school, went to secondary school here, went off to college at George Washington University and George Washington University Law School, practiced law for a number of years in this community and had the good fortune to have another couple of professional careers before settling down and continuing to practice law for some years before I was asked to consider being the clerk of the circuit court. Alexandria has been very good to me. I received an excellent education and have been trying for years, hopefully, to pay back some of the good experience that I gathered as a youth, and have hopefully done that. And it is with great consideration that I would like to continue serving as the clerk of the circuit court. I feel that I make a contribution and I'm able to help a lot of the people that come in to see me. There are a number of people that don't like to come in to see me, but they have to. They have no choice. They come in to pay fines, or they come in to perhaps surrender a driver's license. But we do serve 95% of the community, and we do good things for them. We try to justifiably help them a great deal. I would like to think that my reputation with the other courts in the community is very good and workable. I know that I have a very good working relationship with all of the judges in the Alexandria courthouse, and also with the federal judges that I have some dealings with. I serve on a commission with the Supreme Court, which considers rules for the lawyers who operate under the rules of the Alexandria and the Supreme Court system. I would like to think that the Alexandria Circuit Court has been an innovative court in the years that I have been there. When I came in 1980, it was totally mechanically driven. It is now a highly automated court. We have systems that are in awe by even the Supreme Court for a case management system, and we have done a great deal to bring that court forward into the modern age. I would hope to seek your support for my re-election and hope to serve for many years to come as the clerk of the circuit court. My background is well suited to continue to do that, and I thank you very much and I ask for your support in my re-election bid. Thank you very much.
Okay, are there any other candidates for clerk of circuit court? All right, hearing none, I'm aware that we now have another candidate